Bloomberg Audio Studios. Podcasts, radio, news.
The Stock Movers Report, your roundup of companies making moves in the stock market, harnessing the power of Bloomberg data.
Let's take a look at some stocks on the move today. I'm Nathan Hager, joined by Bloomberg's Valerie Teitel. A lot of movement this morning for Nvidia following that information report. Val, how's the stock looking this morning? Good morning.
Nvidia is in the pre-market in the red, down 1.2% on the back of that report that it has told suppliers to halt production of the company's H20 chip, that H20 chip that was designed specifically for the Chinese market to comply with Biden-era controls. And this is according to the information. It cites unidentified sources that Nvidia actually issued these orders this week after Beijing has urged local firms to avoid using the chip. We've also seen some other stocks in Nvidia's supply chain trade weak as well. TSMC traded down 1.3% in Taiwan. This is the main company that Nvidia uses to fabricate their chips. On the flip side, though, China chip stocks traded quite positively overnight. This could broadly be seen as a move by China to protect its homegrown chip industry. We had the likes of SMIC jump around 7%, and on the mainland, Cambricon jump around 14%, as well as some other Asian chip stocks that are focused on the homegrown Chinese market perform very well.
Yeah, so a lot of read-through with the importance for Nvidia to get into that Chinese market more deeply. We're seeing a lot of stocks move as well on earnings. Just got results from BJ's Wholesale not being taken too well by investors this morning, Val.
Yeah, BJ Wholesale, this is the membership-only warehouse retailer. Disappointing markets when it came to comparable sales. The stock fell as much as 7%, Nathan, but it has since paired those gains, now just trading down 0.1%. And that's due to their guidance that came out just after it tweaked it slightly higher. So that's helping the stock recover. Now, it has been a big week for retail earnings. It's really been a mixed picture. We did have some positive news when it comes to ROST stores. That stock is trading up 2.3% in pre-market. This is the discount retailer, which projected that inflation will push more consumers to seek its goods. And that kind of projection seems like was welcomed by the market. It said that same-store sales will grow to the tune of 2% to 3% a quarter for the next 2 quarters, all based on those U.S. consumers trading down into discount products, being more selective about where they spend as they're nervous about prices climbing due to tariffs.
Yeah, you mentioned the mixed picture that we are seeing from retail. It kind of looks the same way when it comes to some of these software companies we're hearing from as well.
Yeah, that's right. We did hear from the software company Workday. This is the HR software company. Those shares are trading down over 5%. They missed on gross profit, but also quite interestingly made a second acquisition in the AI space. They agreed to acquire Paradox to use AI chips to help clients automate their hiring process. On the flip side, a bit more positive picture, Zoom Communications, they gave a strong forecast. The stock is up 4.8% in pre-market. Their forecast did suggest that customers are keen for its expanded suite of products, which do include some new AI tools, such as an AI assistant. I thought that was funny, Nathan, that maybe next time you call me, you have to speak to my assistant first.
The Stock Movers Report from Bloomberg Radio. Check back with us throughout the day for the latest roundup of companies making news on Wall Street. And for the latest market-moving headlines, listen to Bloomberg Radio live. Catch us on YouTube, Bloomberg.com, and on Apple CarPlay and Android Auto with the Bloomberg Business app.